Hello, everyone. My name is Kevin, and I am the owner and founder of Paper Street Mobile Detailing and Services. Paper Street Mobile Detailing and Services was created in April of 2020. As many of you know, that was the beginning of a challenging time, which created many unwanted distances. So I chose to develop a way of pursuing my passion while accommodating as many people as possible. Paper Street conducts services in the Golden Triangle here in Southeast Texas. We provide mobile detailing and maintenance on vehicles, including motorcycles, boats, recreational vehicles. Our maintenance includes, but is not limited to, oil changes, fluid checks, tire maintenance and rotations, and multi-point inspections. We're currently set up in a 6x12 enclosed trailer that carries everything needed to provide the best quality services to our clients, including jacks, oil, filters, impact tools, and our own 150-gallon tank full of deionized water. The deionized water also ensures a spot-free rinse that becomes crucial when faced with the Texas heat. The care and effort instilled in my work have been cultivated from years of hard work. I've worked between the oil field and crane industry for the last 13 years while still providing detailing services for customers. No matter what industry I was operating under, customer service was and is still my number one priority. This includes providing services that ensure safety, attention to detail, and commitment. From my previous work experience, I've learned that no matter how big you are or how small you are, you treat customers the right way with as much care and respect as possible. One of the most extensive drives for pushing Paper Street Mobile Detailing has been my amazing family, including my beautiful wife and two strong boys. The desire to spend more time with the family and the little moments became monumental. I was tired of missing out on things while working and being away from the family for months on end. My wife then proposed the idea to start my own detailing business so that we could reclaim some of that family time and really enjoy life to the fullest. She has been the greatest supporter and my number one fan. When detailing and providing vehicle maintenance, I don't put a customer in any vehicle that I want to put my own wife in. So you know that you are getting the complete package, and if you aren't satisfied, then neither am I. I hope to work with you one day in the future to provide your vehicle with the tender love and care it needs. Please like and follow us on social media. Feel free to contact me with any and all questions or inquiries you may have, and we will see you in your vehicle very soon. Thank you.